मैडम 26 जनवरी को आपने देखा कि किस तरह से किसान दिल्ली में घुसे और आंदोलन किया।
फिर किसान आप उन लोगों को बोल रहे हैं, मवाली है वो। फिर किसान आप उन लोगों को बोल रहे हैं, मवाली है वो।
Newly appointed Union Minister Meenakshi Lekhi created the storm after she referred to protesting farmers as Mawalis. The Bharatiya Janata Party leader used these words at a press conference while talking about an alleged attack on a media person during the Farmers' Parliament at the Jantar Mantar in Delhi on Thursday. Don't term them farmers, they are Mawali. The country knows what happened on January 26, said BJP MP from New Delhi constituency Meenakshi Lekhi, adding, "These are criminal acts. What happened on January 26 were also shameful criminal activities. Opposition promoted such activities," added Meenakshi Lekhi.
मैडम 26 जनवरी को आपने देखा कि किस तरह से किसान दिल्ली में घुसे और आंदोलन किया।
फिर किसान आप उन लोगों को बोल रहे हैं, मवाली है वो।
है मैडम कि जिस तरीके से आज तक दिल्ली में अलाउ किया गया और न्यूज 18 कैमरामैन पर जिस तरह से हमला किया, आपको लगता है कि ये किसी भी तरीके से ठीक है, इसका संज्ञान लेना चाहिए?
इसका संज्ञान भी लेना चाहिए। ये क्रिमिनल एक्ट्स हैं, ये आपराधिक गतिविधियां हैं और जो कुछ 26 जनवरी को हुआ वो भी शर्मनाक था, आपराधिक गतिविधियां थी और उसमें विपक्ष द्वारा ऐसी चीजों को बढ़ावा दिया गया।
This triggered a quick response from Bharatiya Kisan Union leader Rakesh Tikait, who called it an insult to 80 crore annadatas. Objecting to Lekhi's statement, Tikait said she should be ashamed of herself and stop eating the food grains grown by them. Hooligans are the ones who have nothing. It is wrong to make such remarks for farmers. We are farmers, not hooligans. Farmers are annadatas of the land. Such a remark is an insult to 80 crore farmers of India. If we are hooligans, Meenakshi Lekhi ji should stop eating food grains grown by us. She should be ashamed of herself. We have passed a resolution in Farmers' Parliament condemning her statement, Tikait said. Earlier, a group of 200 farmers protesting the centre's 3 agri laws started a Kisan Sansad at central Delhi's Jantar Mantar. This is the first time since the January 26 violence in Delhi during the tractor rally that the authorities have granted permission to protesting farmers' unions to hold a protest in the city.